Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today I'm going to show you how to make postbiotic Ars Koso Sunset. This is a non-alcoholic drink, but if you like, you can add any alcohol of your choice. Main ingredient of this drink is watermelon. Tomato is known for its high content of lycopene. Did you know watermelon is also a great source of lycopene? The amount depends on both variety and growing conditions. Lycopene content in red fresh watermelon is about 40% higher than the amount of lycopene in tomatoes. The seedless red flesh watermelon tend to have more. Lycopene is more absorbable after heat treatment due to the breakdown of the protein carotenoid complex. However, the study showed that lycopene from raw watermelon is absorbed directly into human body just after consumption. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that helps your body from sun damage and improve heart health. High consumption of lycopene might help reduce the incidence of prostate cancer and the risk of other cancers. It is not easy to find tasty watermelon when it's uncut, but red ripe fresh ones are the sweetest and most nutritious. Hope you like this healthy mocktail. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.